The West Coast IPA is a distinctive and popular beer style known for its bold, hop-forward profile and clean, crisp finish. It emerged in California in the 1980s and became a hallmark of the craft beer movement, evolving over time from its original concept to contemporary examples. This style is well loved by those who appreciate a robust and assertive hop presence, making it a classic for hop enthusiasts. When brewing West Coast IPA, it is important to pay special attention to water mineral content. The water profile used in this beer should emphasize sulfates to highlight sharper and cleaner bitterness perception, but it should also have a light touch of chloride. A common sulfate to chloride ratio is around 2:1, or higher, which helps accentuate the bitterness of the hops and is considered key to the style's distinct flavour profile.
Light malts like Superior Pilsner will provide a clean base and allow the hop flavors to shine. A small amount of crystal malt is used for slight color and a touch of sweetness. Carafoam malt is added to improve head and foam stability. For mashing, we're using 26 liters of strike water at 72.5 degrees Celsius. After adding 10.05 kilograms of malt, our mash in temperature of 65 degrees Celsius is maintained for 40 minutes to achieve full starch conversion. Mash pH is checked and adjusted to 5.4 by using lactic acid. We are sparging with 30 to 35 liters of treated brewing liquor at 78 degrees Celsius. The runoff is stopped after collecting 46 liters of wort in the brew kettle. Our hop profile will be focused on bitterness and aroma. Magnum hops are used for strong and smooth bittering profile. This variety offers subtle aromas of spice, citrus, and black peppers. Magnum hops are boiled for 60 minutes. Triumph hops offer bold, fruity aromas featuring strong notes of peach, lime, and orange, complemented by hints of spice and pine. Cascade hops have a floral, citrusy, and pine flavor profile. We are using Triumph and Cascade hops in the Whirlpool for increased hop aroma. After a 15-minute Whirlpool rest, the wort is cooled down to 18 degrees Celsius with our wort chiller. We are using worts from 5 small brew systems to collect 200 litres of wort in our fermentation vessel. A clean, highly attenuating Safil US-05 yeast is used, which allows the fermentation to produce a crisp and dry finish with little to no residual sweetness. This dry yeast is pitched directly in the fermentation vessel at a rate of 80 grams per hectoliter. For dry hopping, we're using Cascade hops at the rate of 2 grams per liter. The final bitterness target is 50 IBUs. After 7 days of fermentation at 20 degrees Celsius and reaching the final target alcohol level of 7.2% ABV, the beer is crash cooled for another week of aging at 0 degrees Celsius before it is transferred to a bright beer tank. Final carbonation level is adjusted to 2.5 volume per volume.
This West Coast IPA emphasises hops in both the aroma and taste. Noticeable bitterness results from a high level of hops used in the brewing process. It features strong hop aromas with herbal, floral, as well as citrusy and fruity notes. The malt backbone is light to medium with minimal sweetness, allowing the hops to take centre stage. The mouthfeel is dry, resulting in a beer that's less sweet and more crisp. Due to its bold, bitter flavours, this West Coast IPA would pair well with spicy foods such as spicy buffalo wings, tacos and burritos, as well as grilled meats such as barbecue ribs and burgers. It also complements strong cheeses including sharp cheddar, aged Gouda and blue cheese. Cheers!